I'm back. Solar system. Solar nebula theory. So the sun is in the center. That's a good way to remember it. Sun in the center. Center. So what is in the center? The mass of the nebula makes like a disk. The pressure from all this like gravity started making planets and pushing everything together. They were all like orbiting the sun. Birth of our solar system. The sun. The sun is 99.85% of the solar system. It's a yellow main sequence star, but earlier Haley called it a planet. It's like halfway through its life, so it's like you know, like up the hill, over the hill. It's 1 AU away. AU? It takes like 8 minutes for its light to reach Earth. That's what I call time traveling. Mercury. It's so small. It looks like poop. It's the closest to the sun, and it has a lot of craters. I have craters. 88-day orbit. A really weird shaped orbit. So it looks something like this. Probably not though, I don't know. I'm your Venus. I'm your fire. Your desire. Venus. This is Earth's sister. Has a 225 Earth day orbit. Has a carbon dioxide atmosphere, 450 degrees surface. I guess it is the hotter sister. I don't know, I'm confused. Who's the hotter sister, Earth or Venus? Earth. If you don't know enough about Earth and you live on it, it's the Goldilocks planet. Earth is just right to support life. Has a 365-day orbit. It's mostly water, like 70%. There's one moon, but Haley lost it when she was walking from her house. What happens when you lose the moon? You die. Mars. It has 2 moons. It has like the biggest volcano ever. Take that, Mount Everest. 686-day orbit. Mars sucks. Alright, the first 4 planets I just talked about, they're the inner planets, and they're terrestrial. Which I guess is where we get ET from. Asteroid belt. Things that didn't become planets are in the asteroid belt. And they hit us. Always go to Jupiter to get more stupider. Little did girls know stupider is not a word, so we look stupider. It's a gas giant. 63 moons. It takes 12 years to go around the sun. Big old red dot storm in this area probably. Is this upside down? Saturn. It has a ring around it, but these rings are made out of little rocks. We have this probe called Cassini. It goes around Saturn, and it gave us our first images. 29-year orbit. I'm not even 29 yet, or maybe I am. It's so light, it's like paper light. Float in water, much like paper. So this is very accurate. And it has like 60-ish moons. We don't know how to count. It has 1 moon that looks like the Death Star. That's no moon. It's a space station. Uranus. It rotates on an axis of 98 degrees. 84 years to go around the sun. It has 27 moons. And it has rings-ish. It's pronounced Uranus. Neptune. It's deep blue, has a big storm on it, and it disappears every now and then. It has a dozen moons. It takes 164 years to go around the sun. If we lived on Neptune, we would never have a first birthday. Dun dun dun. The Kuiper Belt. This is Pluto. It's really sad. Pluto was demoted in 2006. It's so big that it could fit into the United States of America. It's a disk around the solar system. It's like giving the solar system a hug. That's Eris. This one's Mikmik. This one's Mari. And then this is just like the debris parts that didn't become planets. Voyager's space probe is passing through it. Then there's a bunch of other dwarf planets that we don't know about. Then there's an asteroid called Vesta. It was like a dwarf planet that got like hit. We got like pulverized. It's an asteroid.
Yeah, I know